Hello, this is a final video on the tomato plants that I planted on May the 28th, the indeterminate variety of Park's Whopper. And it's a lesson on how to prune your tomato plants in our climate, which is Manitoba Zone 3. Because we have such a short summer season, I only allow either 3 or 4 sets of tomatoes to be growing on the tomato plant, because anything taller than that or more up the stem would not ripen in our short season, and then it would just take away from the ripening of the fruit that's on. So I take my pruners, and just you can see that there's buds that have started, and I'll just snip off at the top and discard that. So that'll put more nourishment into the ripening fruit. And then also, throughout the season, you will prune out the suckers. And there's the leaf of the tomato plant, as in here, and the stem. And the sucker is a growth in between, and you'll just prune that out. This is a rather small one, but sometimes they get away on you and grow quite big. Nonetheless, then you'll use your pruners and snip them out. Now remember, this is an indeterminate variety, which means that it continues to grow all season, but because of our short climate, hence I prune it off. Here's another one that will be pruned off. See, it's just begun flowering, and it has one set there. This is another indeterminate variety, but as you can see, it's a cherry tomato, and it ripens much quicker than the Park's Whopper. This is Sun Gold, actually one of my favorite. It turns orange. There's another sucker in between, and I'll just pull that one out. But you can see by the height, I'll let these continue to grow, and they'll ripen throughout the season. I hope you've enjoyed this series on pruning and planting your tomatoes.